Right, we're looking at an introduction to investments and loans, which is in the mathematical applications course. It's really looking at our use of money over a long and short term, and how we can apply that to everyday kind of situations. Um, it looks at the earning and the spending. It used to be called earning and spending, where we looked at how you earn money, but we would have done that in earlier years. But it really looks at the saving, and looking at saving money and over a longer term and maybe a short term, which may be superannuation. And then also looking at from that, how do we use loans, and how do loans work, and how do we, all these things with percentages and home rates and all those kind of things, how do we actually do some calculations of that to work out actually how much it's going to cost us? So that's the way the course kind of rolls. So we will have a look at that and look at the two different types of kind of accounts we look at. The main accounts that we look at are things called annuities. Now, you may have heard these before. And there are two types of annuities that we look at, because an annuity is a regular series of payments or deposits into an account. In the past, you might have done compound interest and simple interest, but this one is looking at where you're putting money in regularly over a longer period of time, or drawing money out regularly over a longer period of time, whereas simple and compound interest has one payment or deposit. So the first things we're going to look at is future value annuities. So a future value annuity is where you are saving money up over a long period of time. So a future value annuity, you're saving up money over a long period of time, and the lump sum of money exists in the future. Okay, so you're saving money up, and when you get the money to use, it's going to be in the future. So that might be saving for a holiday. Okay, it might be a saving up for your superannuation for when you retire. So these kind of things are when you save up money so you can use it later on. And it's called a future value annuity, because you don't have the lump sum of money yet. The lump sum of money exists in the future. Now, obviously, the second one that we look at is called a present value annuity, where your money exists now. So it means you've got the lump sum of money and you're drawing out of it. And this is called a present value question. So something like that is like a loan, because when you have a loan, you actually take the money from the bank, it exists now, and you pay it to someone, like for a house, and then you repay it. So the lump sum of money exists now, even though you pay it back over a period of time. And that could be a home loan or a personal loan. So that's the way in which we look at it. And once you separate them from a present value annuity or a future value annuity, you are fine. And we look at how we can reduce debt, and how we can do things to make our savings more efficient, but also when we borrow money, how we can make that work the best possible way we can.